could not hear you in between. So, did you say to remove any book or something?
Yes.
First, I could. What happened? That network gone, and I had to connect with another device. I mean, another network. So I could not hear you. So you said to remove any notebook or textbook to which
Take
number?
out your maths notebook, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Take out your maths notebook, everyone. Write the question number 1. Change the given decimals into like decimals.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm not well, so I'm going to put my camera off.
Okay. No problem. Change the given decimals into like decimals means always we will change the unlike decimals into the like decimals. Remember it. Always we will
This what we
always we will change the unlike decimals into the like decimals. Remember this thing. Okay. Now after writing this question, write this. Now, when you write the answer of this one, when you are changing into the like decimal, you always remember what we have to see. Children, I'm recalling the topic which you have already done. Anya,
Ma'am,
your attention is not there in the class.
ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, there is. If you
Ma'am,
know the answer, raise your hand. Samriddhi, mute your mic, please. And lower down your hands, others to the yes. There, give me this answer.
ma'am, we have to see the places. Like it is 3.8 and this is 15.14. So
One
in the
four.
1 4. So in the 3.8, it should add one more digit, like
Yes.
0.
After we will first see which group is having the highest number of places. So this is having the highest number of places after the decimal is 2. So we have to make the similar, the other two groups also the similar. So what we will do 3.80 we will write at the back of the number. The 15.14414 will be as same because it will not change, and 8.90 will be the next.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Anyone
can you
else
please
for the same?
repeat? Ma'am, can you please repeat what we have done?
We have already done this topic in the last class. Twisha, turn on your camera. We have already done this topic in the last class. I'm just giving you the revision that how to change the unlike decimals into the like decimals. When we change the unlike decimals into the like decimals, we see that which group is having the highest number of places after the decimal. So this is having the highest number of places after the decimal means 2 places, tens and hundreds. And the other two groups are having only one place, which is tens. So to make this similar to this group, we will add the 0 at the back. And how many 0 we will add? It is having 2 places after the decimal. So this is having already having 1. So we add 0 at the back to make the 2 places after the decimal. Everyone is clear with this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Some please write it in your notebooks. Fast. So how we are going to do the second one? Who is going to tell me? Raise your virtual hand.
Hi, ma'am.
I is not my class. Yes, Samriddhi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Samriddhi, please speak.
Yeah, ma'am. First we will see which is the bigger number. So the second number is the biggest. So it
How
has
it is
3.
biggest? It is having 3 places after the decimal.
Yeah, ma'am.
You cannot say this is the biggest. Samriddhi, please note, you cannot say this is the biggest number. Biggest number is 58. We are not comparing which is biggest. We are converting the unlike decimals into the like decimals. Yes, please. So we will see which group is having the highest number of places after the decimal.
After decimal, so the highest places, second one. So it have after
How many
decimal,
places? 3
it
places.
have 3 places. So we will write 2.800. Then we
And this
will,
will be same.
this will be same. Then we will write 58.300.
Everyone is clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, so before the decimal numbers will not change?
No, nothing will change. Only to make the 3 places or the 4 places, we add the 0 at the back. Rest everything will be same.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, your board is blurred.
My dear, you facing the network issue. My board is not blur.
No, ma'am, your board is little blur.
Okay, let me check.
No,
Now
ma'am,
check.
it is completely fine.
Please check.
Now, ma'am, perfect.
Are you all writing? Daksh Patel, remove this background. And please start writing. Let me take the attendance. Done, everyone? Can I raise the board?
Yes,
2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Giving you 1 more minute. Please complete this fast. Give me 1 minute. Yes, now please write down. Can I raise the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra Jajadia,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please talk to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you have joined now?
Ma'am, I was not able to join. It was showing that your Google administrator had take out you.
No, it was not such like that. That I have not removed anyone.
Ma'am, in accounts,
Okay. So how you have joined now?
ma'am, we had phone to the school and then we had told to open my account.
Okay. Done this thing, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now write the next question. Compare the numbers. Or equals to. Write the first one. Anya, give me any decimal number.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me any decimal number.
36.6.
Samriddhi, give me any decimal number.
Yeah, ma'am. 4.21.
Lakshya, tell me which is big, greater.
Ma'am, the
I don't want
the
left, right.
first
I don't want the answer in left and right. I want you need to read
one
the number.
21.
4.21 is greater.
No, yes, ma'am.
This is 36.6. This is 4.21.
This one is greater.
Which one is greater?
36.6.
Yes. It is having 2 digits. 36. It is only 1 digit.
Ma'am,
Four.
but we have to make both like decimals.
Even if you make them both like decimals also, then also this is greater.
Okay.
First, make them the like decimals. How you convert like? That put the zero at the. It is
Back.
having 2 digits after the decimal. So put the zero. So this is greater.
Ma'am, if we don't change it in the like fraction also, we can do it because the
See, my
before
dear,
decimal.
see there, I want to speak something.
Yeah.
Better you always may convert it into the like decimals. So because what happen is sometimes the digits, sometimes the numbers are same and you get confused. Right? Now you get confused with both the groups are same. So better every time convert them into the like first and then compare them. Got it? Suppose this kind of sum is coming. So we add the 2 zeros at the back. So now these are equal.
Yes, we have to put
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal.
Yes, ma'am.
So better first convert them and then compare them.
And this was the second sum.
Yes. Now Ekansh, you give me any number, decimal number.
Yes, ma'am. 60.19.
19.
Yes, 19.
Yes, this I give me another decimal number. Yes, this I. Dhyan Dalal, give me another decimal number.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes, your voice is not coming. Take your time. Yes, Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, 20.7.
Now, children, here is 6. Here is 2. But first of all, you make them like decimal.
Like decimal.
So we add the 0 at the back of this number.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Trisha. Tell me which group is greater.
Ma'am, 60.19.
60.19. Priya, give me any group of number.
Ma'am, 5.43.
Samriti, mute yourself, please. 5.43.
43.
Anya, give me. You have done, no, Anya? Ridhan,
Yes, ma'am.
give me any decimal number.
5. Yes, ma'am. 2.800.
800. So 1 0 we will add. Now we will compare which group. Guna will tell me. Guna, which is greater?
5.
5. Read the complete number.
5.430.
So comparison you can easily do.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh Patel, are you writing in your notebook? Please, everyone write. And children, please note 5B students, it is already conveyed to your parents in the PTM that your child is leaving the class early. So please don't leave the class before time until I will not end the class. You are not supposed to leave the class. Are you all clear with this? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If you leave the class before timing, then you are not allowed to enter in the class next time. Done, everyone? Can I erase? Migdad, are you writing in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Can I erase the question number 2, this question?
Yes, ma'am.
First 2, can I erase?
Yeah.
Yes, do you have any problem in your mind that every time it is getting switch on?
Yes, ma'am, you can erase.
Okay. Mute yourself, please. Guna,
Yes, ma'am.
mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Now write the next question, ascending and descending order. If you know comparing, no, you can easily arrange them in the
Ma'am, I know how to do in arrange.
arrange. Very good. If you know, I will ask the questions. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Daksh Patel, tell me what is ascending order? What is ascending order? Big to small or small to big, Daksh Patel?
From small to big.
Yes, small to big is the ascending order. Yes, Arna Agarwal, give me one group of decimal number with the decimals.
Yes, ma'am. 5.67,
Next, wait, next Kush. Kush
2.5,
will tell me next number. Kush Ahuja.
Yes, ma'am. 6.70.
Next, Khevna. Decimal number.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now then 72.8.
Next, Twisha. Migdad, wait. Migdad will give. Migdad.
yes, ma'am. 7.52.
5, 2.
5.
After the decimal, we read them single. Now, children, there are 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, and the 4. We are arranging them into the ascending order. Arna Agarwal, I have noticed that you are playing with something with the camera or with something. Please write it in your notebooks. Jahan Agarwal, please sit in the light area. You are completely black visible.
I'm after 2.8. You do not.
I will ask,
do
no,
formula.
Lakshya, I will give you a chance. If you will not wait for your chance, then I will not listen, beta.
Okay.
Yeah, now okay, Jahan. Now for ascending order, write the short form AO. Now we will arrange them in the ascending order from small to big. Vivan Balchandani, out of these 4 decimal groups, which will come first? First of all, you make them like. How you make them? This is also having 2 digits after the decimal. This is also having 2. This is also having 2. But this is not having 2 digits after the decimal. Put the 0. Now tell me, Vivan Balchandani, which will come first?
Can Twisha say? 72.80.
And we are arranging small to big, ascending order, not big to small. Ascending is small to big and descending is big to small. 5.67 first will come. Next, Dhyan Chile will tell me which group will come next. Dhyan. Dhyan, which group will come next?
7.52.
My dear, 5.67 के बाद this will come, no 6. 7 से 7 is greater than 6, so 6.70 will come. Next, Ridhan, which group will come next?
Yes, ma'am. 7.52.
5.2. Again and again, I am repeating that after the decimal, you need to read the digits single, not together. Jahan Agarwal, which will come next, last?
Ma'am, 72.80.
72.
72.80.
हाँ, decimal से पहले read them together and after the decimal read them single. Clear everyone with the ascending order?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will
Yes,
write
ma'am.
this.
You have to write. Whatever I am writing on the screen, you have to write. Please lower down your hands, everyone.
Ma'am, can I give the next ascending order?
Yeah, I will ask from you, but please lower down your hands. Everyone, because it's disturbing me here. Kush Desai, Ridan, Yash, you can't lower down your hand, please. Anushka, lower down your hand, please. Arna Agarwal, lower down your hand, please. Arna Agarwal, lower down your hand. Yes, thank you. Now don't raise your hand. I will call your name and I will ask. Give me the next sum, Dharya.
Yes, ma'am. 8.98.
Still, I'm writing this only. 8.9.
Yeah, 8.986.
986. Okay. Next.
Can you go to the next one?
Yes, Desai will tell me.
Ma'am, 7.
Yeah.
7.99.
Anya, next.
6.906.
Next, Jahan Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. 9.26.
Okay. So we have how many group of numbers here?
4.
4. Now, which order we are going to arrange them?
Like, like.
Expression is not.
Lakshya, again you are mixing, but we are going to arrange
No,
them in the
la.
ascending order. So before arranging the ascending order, we will do them like.
Yeah.
Now, this group is already having, which two groups is having the highest number of digits, which is 3. So we will not touch them, but we will add the 0 or this number and 0 here to make them like. Now, after this, are you Singhani? Are you are late in the class today or you were there in the class?
I was there in the class the entire time.
Okay. Now tell me, Ayush, which group will come first in the ascending order?
Ma'am, in the ascending order, the smallest one will be 6.906.
6.906. Which will come next, Dhyan Dalal? Dhyan Dalal, which group will come next?
Yes, ma'am. 7.990.
Migdad, which will come next?
Yes, ma'am. It will come 8.986.
Ekansh, which will come next?
Yes, ma'am. 9.260.
Now write the next question. Question number 4. Arrange into the descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Can I erase the second question complete?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Yes,
Ma'am.
I'm doing
Which child is saying no?
Ma'am, Daksh Patel.
Okay, Daksh, please complete fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, again I'm telling you are not supposed to leave the class because at the end I am going to take your attendance.
Ma'am.
Yes, please ask him. Na?
Yes, ma'am. But if you want to write the descendant number in a short form, what is the short form of the descending number?
DO.
Okay, ma'am.
Ascending order AO and DO is the descending order.
Ma'am, you can erase.
Yes, wait a minute. Again, I'm telling you at the end, I'm going to take your attendance again. So don't leave the class. Okay. Can I erase this next second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can erase it.
Now give me Rahil. Rahil, give me any group of number.
Okay, ma'am.
Decimal number.
Ma'am, 5.901.
Rudra Jajadia.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedi, Mohit, turn on your camera. Yash, Daksh Patel, Anush, turn on your camera, please, everyone. And Vedi, I hope you're writing. Nothing I can see in your hand. No notebook, no pen. Rudra, give me the next number. Mohit, either turn on your camera or either leave, beta.
Next number 6102.
6.1.6.102.
6.102.
Priya, next.
Ma'am, 3.150.
3.150. Mohit, next.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Aryaman, you tell me.
9.80.
9.80. Now, this is also having 3 digits after the decimal. This is also having 3. This is also having 3. To make this also similar, we will write the 0 at the back. Now we write descending order. So in descending order, it is, children, I can still see the students are leaving. Let me write the names of the students. The mail will go to their parents. Ayush Singania is there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Let me take the final attendance. This attendance only will be marked if you stay there till the last. Otherwise, I'll mark absent for the students.
Then can I see the answer first?
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
say the answer?
Yes, Samriddhi, tell me which group will come.
0.
Which will come?
9.800.
9.800. Big too small. We are arranging. So big will come. Twisha, next.
6.120. 102.
Anna Agarwal, what happened? You left the class in between.
So, ma'am, actually, where am I sitting? My tab got switched off suddenly.
You know, I have already announced in the class that I am going to mark the final attendance in your sheet today. So if the child will be staying till the last, only their attendance will be marked. Otherwise, other students I will mark the absent. It's up to you now. Aryaman, tell me which group will come next.
Ma'am, 5.901.
Jahan Agarwal, which group will come next?
Ma'am, 3.150.
Ma'am, can you take your board little bit right? Yes, ma'am.
Now please write them fast. Next. Kevna, give me any decimal number.
Yes, ma'am. 7.530.
Yes, 530. Okay. Next, Ridhan, give me any decimal number.
Yes, ma'am. 9.150.
Migdad, give me decimal number. Don't raise your hands. Leave. Lower down your hands, please. Samriddhi, Ridhan, and Dhyan Dalal.
Yes, ma'am.
Migdad, give me. Ridhan, lower down your hand, please.
10.155.
Ekant, give me decimal number.
Yes, ma'am. 12.12.
So now this number is also having 3 digits after the decimal. This is also having 3. This is also having 3. So to make this also the similar, the like decimal, we add the 0 at the back. Now arrange them in the descending order. There,
Yes.
tell me which group will come first.
Ma'am, it will come 12.120.
Rudra Jajadia, which will come next? Arna Agarwal, it has been noted that you are not writing anything in your notebooks.
10.155.
155. Dhyan Dalal, which will come next?
Ma'am, it will be 7 point. No. It will be 9.150.
Next, which will come next? Gunav. Gunav.
Yes, ma'am. 1210. But this 1 2.
My dear, we are arranging descending order. 12.120 is already done. 12.120 is already done.
Oh. Ma'am, 10.155.
7.530 will come at the last. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now stay in the class. Let me take your attendance.
I have a question.
Yes.
In this one, there were 3 numbers after the decimal. So in the 12.12,
Yes.
we added 1 0. But what if
Yes.
it's like in one there are 4 in an example, and there are 2 with 3 into and 2 into. What do we do in that?
We have to see which is having the highest number, highest places after the decimal are 3 or the 4. So if there are 3 after the places or 4, so first of all, we need to see that which group is having highest number of places after the decimal. Agar 4 highest hai, This is having 3, so we add 0 at the back to make the 4 high places after the decimal. Suppose the highest places after the decimal are 4, but your one group is having 3, another is having 2, another is having 1 only after the decimal. First of all, make them like decimals.
So, ma'am, the highest number wins.
We have to see the highest place.
Okay.
That many zeros will be added to the number. Clear, everyone? Okay, so I'm taking the final attendance right now. Don't leave the class. Only this attendance will be marked in my sheet today. Rest other students will be absent. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.